Welcome to our channel. Today, we're sharing daily habits for a healthier lifestyle, backed by scientific research. Incorporating these habits into your routine can significantly improve your physical and mental well-being. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and content. Begin each day by drinking a glass of water. Hydration is essential for maintaining energy levels, aiding digestion, and keeping your skin healthy. Studies show that proper hydration improves cognitive function and mood. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support your body's functions. A balanced diet is crucial for overall health. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats in your meals. Research indicates that diets rich in these nutrients reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Avoid processed foods and limit sugar intake to maintain optimal health. Plan your meals ahead of time to ensure you're getting the necessary nutrients. Physical activity is vital for maintaining a healthy body and mind. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. According to the World Health Organization, regular exercise reduces the risk of chronic diseases, improves mood, and boosts energy levels. Activities such as walking, running, cycling, and swimming are excellent ways to stay active and improve cardiovascular health. Quality sleep is essential for good health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Research shows that sufficient sleep improves memory, cognitive function, and mood regulation. Establish a regular sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and ensure your sleep environment is comfortable and free from distractions. Managing stress is crucial for maintaining mental health. Practice mindfulness techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga to help reduce stress levels. Studies indicate that mindfulness practices can lower cortisol levels, improve mental clarity, and enhance emotional well-being. Take breaks throughout the day to relax and unwind. Engage in activities that you enjoy and that help you relax. Incorporate physical activity into your daily routine beyond your regular exercise. Take short breaks to stand up, stretch, or walk around. Prolonged sitting has been linked to increased risks of cardiovascular disease and diabetes. Use the stairs instead of the elevator, and try to move as much as possible throughout the day to prevent sedentary habits. Excessive screen time can negatively impact your health. Limit the time spent on phones, computers, and TVs. Research shows that prolonged screen time can lead to eye strain, poor posture, and disrupted sleep patterns. Take regular breaks from screens to rest your eyes and prevent digital strain. Engage in offline activities such as reading, drawing, or spending time outdoors. Maintaining social connections is important for mental health. Studies suggest that strong social ties can reduce stress, boost mood, and increase longevity. Spend time with family and friends and engage in social activities. Join clubs or groups that interest you to meet new people and foster meaningful relationships. Good hygiene habits are essential for preventing illness and maintaining overall health. Wash your hands regularly, especially before eating or after using the restroom. According to the CDC, hand washing reduces the spread of infectious diseases. Brush and floss your teeth twice a day, and keep your living environment clean and tidy to prevent infections and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Incorporating these daily habits into your routine can lead to a healthier and more fulfilling lifestyle. Stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, get enough sleep, practice mindfulness, stay active, limit screen time, stay socially connected, and maintain good hygiene. These practices are supported by scientific research and can greatly enhance your well-being. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and content. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier you.